Sir, good afternoon.
Hey, afternoon, my son. How are you?
Sir, I'm here to tell you that
I know what is your problem.
it's your problem. Your uncle is pushing you. Anytime you go to meet a lady, your face will bring that masquerade and pursue that. Sir, it's true. It's true. Sir, please help me, sir. Please just find a way to help me. I beg. Please, sir, beg. Go like this. The first blue gate, you will see a lady there. Run now and go and propose to her. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Let me go now, sir.
Wekwana kalima Alaska. Nyekata yo aoga de very bad. Modo na post.
Many days I never see. Every day I'm chasing good life. You wish me bad. I never come down going
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Tony Sisi, load down, cash up, cash out.
So this person was right. I don't get married. Man, wrong. Good.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Please, will you marry me? Yes, I will.
Exactly.
Jesus!
Hey!
What can I do?
Is that me go and marry who is me that is in that street?
I know this here God.
Where?
I get coconut head.
Oh my! Guys, no gonna be killing me, child. Oh boy! No, the wicked boy sleep too. The pursue the follow nyash. Oh boy, I'm gonna be clear though. How do they go, man?
We don't know something. I didn't follow me.
Guy goes. Do it. And that's how you go wrong.